Good afternoon, it's Woody's Custom Landscaping here, checking in on a project that we built about 2.5 years ago. Everything's grown in nicely, and it's grown on so nicely that it started to take over some of the plants. So we're going to come in here now and we're going to remove them. Just waiting for the homeowner to come outside and we can have a chat about what we're going to be actually up to here in a few weeks. These are the Bellegarde pavers and the Lafitte Rustic and the Toscana blend. We use the Mutual Materials Reversa-Caps as our capstone all the way around. We also use Mutual Materials retaining wall blocks. These are the Manor Stone in the Northwest Blend color. Then we have cast-ons 3-foot dimensional steps in the Silver Legacy color. We blended a few different materials and it came all throughout nicely. Got a fire pit right here that's natural gas. But as you can see, you know, the Black Beauty's gotten pretty big and these grasses are getting pretty big, but in between them you can see a Weigelia, you know, way down there. So that's what we're going to be working on, is trying to expose some more plants. The Mexican oranges, those are, you know, blowing up, or you could call them choiceas. There's, you know, a few different names for each plant. We built this custom water feature right here. It's a pondless is what we call it, so you don't see any water where the pond's actually supposed to be. Down in the river rock section we have a pump. There's some ball valves, everything to control the water feature itself. Down here is a little secret paradise area with some pinky winky hydrangeas. As you can see, they're still blooming, and that's what's, you know, one of the unique features about the Pinky Winky variety, is they bloom, I believe it's, you know, midsummer all the way through fall. This is a nice little hammock area. You can stretch it up between the two posts, have a nice little quiet area. Tied in some natural stone wall going next to our retaining wall. You can see there's quite a few plants that are hidden, so that's what we'll be up to. We're going to expose them and get this garden back to a little bit more clean, as the homeowner would call it. I think it looks beautiful right now, but Woody'sCustomLandscaping.com, 360-687-1882. If you have ideas and thoughts about your backyard, or if you want something like this, give us a call. We'll be around. Thanks for checking in. You guys have a great day.